So guys, we are coming to look for Dara here. Guys, heavy rain. Jesus. Guys, first heavy rain is coming. This is the first time rain is is drizzling, is starting. It's still starting actually, and everybody is like running helter skelter. First heavy rain in an African village. Hey, first heavy rain, first heavy rain. First heavy rain in an African village. Oh, the first rain of the year, the first rain. Hey, it's a miracle. Oh, the rain that everybody has been waiting for. Hey, guys, first heavy rain in an African village. Oh, it's evening over here. Yes, so first rain of the year. Who carried my food? Let's go and look for that.
Yes, can we umbrella?
Who that I go for? I know.
My hair.
Your hair, ba? I think maybe after the rain, like after this rain, Jesus.
If me, I'm going to.
People should bring umbrella. Let's get inside because if this rain touch you, me, I want carry food. Oh, go this food now. Hey guys, like the rain is so big, it's so much. It just started and it's raining heavily. You two should go first. You bring umbrella for me. 1, 2, 3, and you go. Like guys, nobody knows say rain go fall today. If nobody don't say rain go fall today, we don't know. This rain, the rain is very dirty. Look at now, it's very, very dirty. It's coming with dirty water. Joy is coming.
News road. See road wash plate. You never wash plate. You go for Odara. This thing don't full.
You never full. You don't full. If you don't say the water no they enter well. Don't be say you don't full. You never start sir.
Okay, maybe they remove it.
The dirt. No say make you know they enter first. Dirt see the water. Look at the dirt now. See there. I don't know. The rain is not it at all. Hey, it's coming inside. I didn't we see the other umbrella. We'll go give them. I wanted to go and look for it, but I cannot. Where are you going to again?
I'm going to carry food.
You never can. For this rain. See, rain they fall. If I'm they hungry. If they hungry, rain they fall, madam. Your own, I don't have anything to tell you. Hey, this rain is falling non-stop. Like, it's about 20 minutes now, a bit 30 minutes, getting to 1 hour, the rain is still falling. Like, and this rain is unexpected. Like, nobody knows that the rain will fall today. I'm shocked because since 1 week now it has been giving sign that it will rain, but nobody is certain today it will rain. But today it just started giving boom, started raining. This time I was shocked because I was inside. The next thing I hear rain and bam, it's raining. My mom was like, some people said that it rained somewhere the other day. So today it's raining here in Anambra State. Agolo, precisely. And this is It's not small rain. It's very heavy. For it, everybody, even farmers are waiting. Farmers will be so excited to see that rain is falling today because hey, everybody will enter farm now. They are always happy when during rainy season like this. Hey guys, let me lick my first udara. So I picked my first udara today also, and this is first rain of the year. Blessings upon blessings in my life. Yeah. Guys, everybody is so happy today. Good day. Everyone is so happy because because it's rain first. Don't go like that, oh.
See my body. This one don't back me.
Oh yeah, do. Let me enter. Yeah, be good.
Kachifo.
No, Dara. Guys, let's go and look for Odara. Which man today?
I saw one during that prayer.
No, how will you see masquerade?
I'm telling you.
When it's raining, why will you see masquerade?
When
it's raining. So guys, we are coming to look for Odara here after rain. So we expect to see one. I think I've seen one. Yay! Guys, look at. I picked. You guys should be looking now, not only me. I picked one just now. Whoa. What? Taking no. Going by. Abu. Huh? The shore. Are you sure? Come and enter umbrella now. Hold the umbrella. It's not. We are not seeing much, oh. Supposed to come, let's be going. I think the best time to look for that is always in the night. Yes, if you come in the night, you will be able to see plenty. Who come and look for it when it's raining like that? Go and check inside now. The thing is that the rain have actually subsided. That's why we came outside. Guys, look at.
Wow.
Look at.
Wow.
Is God not wonderful?
God is always
My year has been blessed with this beautiful
Our year has been blessed.
gifts. Hey! Our year has been blessed with this. Ifeoma, you can fear. You sabi fear. That thing na stick, cause it's not Ogala. Eba and condom. Wow.
What was that? Okay.
So guys, we are heading back home. We just picked 2. Immediately we went there. We not actually want to stay and be waiting. So our year is blessed. So it's a year of blessing actually. It's a year of blessing. It's a year of blessing. It's a year of blessing. Guys, it's a year of blessing because we are blessed. We went and we actually picked Sodala. It's not easy.
Yes, Sodala.
Look at it now. I picked 2.
Are you serious?
I picked 2. Yes, now. He said it's this, there is that. If I don't follow that side.
As you say, man, don't follow here.
Yes, now don't follow that place. The water is too
So
big.
now you wear my shoe, I dey find my shoe.
Remove your slippers and come on.
Okay.
Hey, mommy, the rain stopped and everywhere is bright. That time that it was raining, everywhere was dark, and even when it started, everywhere was dark and like clouded. But I said there's more rain. Hey, Chai, mango look and they take water. This mango should do arrive. I'm home now. I'm home now. This mango should do and ripe. Abio, at least even if I know first, I go beg chop. I go beg. Hey, I will even beg him and
if you were we will only for near as the major picking to the highest in matter or 3 or so. Now you give in at
Cause you can bring water. Let's watch this Odala. You know, they will tell me So we are still rejoicing and celebrating and excited. Like in the night, we are sure that you sleep very well. Yes. I say farmers will be very happy. Farmers will be very happy for this rain. Mommy, Mommy, no. Mommy, no, don't go that side. Don't go that side. I know what you mean. Guys, I beg you. May they don't kill me with farm work for this house. Now pray for me. In as much as it's rain, I'm happy, but I don't want to go to the farm. Hey, Mimi. This place is slippery, you know. My brother almost wound. Cause you are laughing. Do you know why you were running, that's why.
Why will you be running inside flood?
Come up here, so that up here would have a lacha speed. Yeah, lacha.
Name slippers.
Oge na o se ti kwa go trap
Hey! Now guys, come and look.
Okay, na mmiri ezolu zokwa ebe dị ka ugboro ịtọ. Ọkwụsị mmadụ ịda ada. Ebe ahụ mmiri si aba na asọchara ya. Mmiri agawa izi. Na ịgụ ebe a na ọ na-egbu obi.
Ma ihe ahụ the best time ikpocha dole. People go come and eat groundnuts.
This abova.
The struggle for me.
Come and eat.
Anya jeje ka ọ dị ka anya bus.
Who played this one now? Second to last card. This one they say second to last card. I don't say so when they go that place they come outside. Make you no be say you don't go high card. High card dey because high dey come when
Wetin Informa dey do for here?
Informa, na you dey suppose do. Informa you push no hard card. I know hard card. Last card. Calm down. Oh, that just calm down.
Calm down for Jesus.
Oh, that just say calm down.
Calm down for Jesus.
Game up.
Oh, you can see me. You be walking where you walk.
Calculate now.
Name 3 words can 3 words can.
No, then be like say na you. C14. C14 for your own first. C12. Then na you na. At least if this one, if you
10 plus 14.
You.
Na how far now? Why did you do this thing?
6
My guy.
plus because.
My guy. You're a good man, sir. Sir, you're a good man.
Give me a meter. You will pro. Man, I why?
Yeah, I want.
Pro. Shame on to you, man. I'm more.
Girl, they make mouth. Tata come mama. They make mouth. By they talk. Chai. I don't take shit. I don't take shit. Jeje na calm kwa down. We are not calm down. We are not calm no down. Calm down. It's so sad. Na ina na eme ife ndị elele.
You can continue.
Mama achịkwa.
You move book about hash. Any close?
Na. Second to last card.
Hold on. Continue.
Oh, hold on, yeah. For general market.
You even laughed at yourself.
No, I don't get talk now because me self I know.
Okay, him too go carry.
Yeah.
No, this thing no dey finish you.
I say this game that Jeje just make mouth finish. Jeje mo to. That's gonna name rubbish this thing vibe. That's gonna name rubbish vibe. One, push it.
Amen. Massage.
We won't wait for us. Normally, we won't wait for us. Or you may say that thing, I'm going to mess one. You could go I can't see the second to last card. Okay, that's going to make you more not me. I need 0. Circle. Yeah.
You need circle. Hold on. Continue.
Last card.
Maybe.
Game up. one.
No, like open up. Like I'm playing car. Then gas. You talk to me.
Jeje.
I'm
You see,
playing car.
no dey tutu make mouth. Now, what you know, what them? No dey
Oh,
tutu make mouth.
one.
Guy end go dey be kan je saru. Kan je saru, guys.
It's okay.